Start preparation for more than 50,000 questions. With this preparation series, build your career with computer. Preparation for computer operator with 50,000 questions answered. First question. The main basic block of a computer system consists of input, output, CPU, and memory. B. Input, output, storage, and user. C. RAM, ROM, floppy, and UPS. D. RAM, hard disk, keyboard, and monitor. And the answer is input, output, CPU, and memory. Second question. A single byte consists of A. 4 bits, B. 16 bits, C. 8 bits, D. 7 bits. And the answer is 8 bits. Third question. According to the working principle of computer is divided as A. Analog computer, B. Digital computer, C. Hybrid computer, D. All of the above. And the answer is all of the above. Fourth question. What is modem? A. Analog and digital converter, B. Modulator and demodulator, C. Telephone switching, D. None of the above. And the answer is modulator and demodulator. Fifth question. 1 MB corresponds to A. 1024 bytes, B. 1024 terabytes, C. 1024 kilobytes, D. 1024 gigabytes. And the answer is 1024 kilobytes. Sixth question. 1 GB corresponds to A. 1024 megabytes, B. 1024 bytes, C. 1024 terabytes, D. 1024 kilobytes. And the answer is 1024 megabytes. Seventh question. There are types of language processor. A. 1 types, B. 2 types, C. 3 types, D. 4 types. And the answer is 3 types. Eighth question. Which of the following is an input device? A. VDU, B. Joystick, C. Plotter, D. Printer. And the answer is joystick. Ninth question. A translator used in low-level languages? A. Compiler, B. Interpreter, C. Assembler, D. All of the above. And the answer is all of the above. 10th question. Which of the following is not an output device? A. Speaker. B. Monitor. C. Digitizer. D. Plotter. And the answer is digitizer. Subscribe to continue the learning and preparation.